Hey, I searched up Roblox view models today. I know how to do Roblox view models. These are not Roblox view models. They are how to use a kit of some sort. And that's not what we want to do. See gun kit. We're going to be making Roblox view models ourselves, custom code, and it's not even that hard to do. Anyone can do it, not hard. Let's get started. Alright, to start off, we're going to need the character that we're going to take apart for our view model. So, go to build rig up here, and we're doing R6 view models. You can do these. They're not going to look as nice, but I much prefer R6, and I'm just spawn an R6 block rig. And basically, we don't need this, or this. Get rid of all that. We don't need the humanoid part. We just need the head and torso. We can take the decal out and the humanoid out. Can delete the neck. We don't really need that either. And what we're going to do here is get this plugin called Easy Weld. Well, it's Moon Animator, but it has an Easy Weld in it. And I'll be using this to weld these together. I'll click on the head, and then hold Control, and click on Torso. Then I'll go here, turn off Animatable, and join in place. And now these are welded together, and you see this looks like just some brick. We'll go ahead and make these transparent. Click on the dummy, name it to whatever you want. I'm going to name it VM for ViewModel. Change the primary part and set it to the head, and that's it. Take this, put it in replicated storage. I'll create a folder here. And we'll just name this view model storage. Alright, you have the view model ready, and this view model is to be local, obviously, so it's not gonna replicate. People won't be able to see your view model, but that's how view models work, so no need to worry about that. What we're gonna do is go into basically any of these work, but I put it in here so it reloads every time you respawn. I'm gonna put the view model over here. I'll name this to view model, and the view models I'm making is going to be something like Criminality's view model, if you've ever played that game. So that's what it's going to be based off of. So yeah, let's get started. We're going to need to run service. So alright, so we're just going to get the run service, and then we'll go ahead and loop over and over again as every frame loads to put the view model on your camera's position. So we'll and that's it. You gotta make sure your view models can't collapse off. Alright. So, now if we try this out, as you can see, we got, oh, look at that. That's what I was worried of. You can't see our arms in first person in Roblox for some reason. I don't know why they did that, but so just, I don't want to get virus today, so I'm just gonna do it myself. See our arms inside the game while playing, and there we go. And that's view models for you. Now this isn't smooth or anything. You can use tween service to smooth it. Aiming's a whole different story. You could actually move the view model and aim, but listen closely. Do not move the view model to aim. That's how you make your gun suck badly and not work well. Just animate your aiming. It's so much easier to use, and that's what I use my central domain too. So make sure when you're making aiming, just animate, add it where if you click the aim button, as long as it's down, it'll, instead of playing the idle animation, it'll play the aim animation for idle. And when you shoot, it'll play the aim idle animation. Or just use FE gun kit or something like that. Just use something, make sure you have aiming animations, and it should work just fine. Alright, next video I'll be making a kit that allows you to use weapons with ray casting, if that makes sense.